know that in these final days of this election, as those like Andrew Cuomo and Eric Adams realize that the only thing they've ever cared about, power, is slipping away, they will become more desperate. They will engage in attacks that are more hateful, more racist, and more bigoted than we have seen in our city's politics in quite some time. And our answer to that is a vision of a city where all of us belong. All of us. No longer will we apologize for who we are. No longer will we apologize for who we believe in. No longer will we apologize for our conviction that the wealthiest city in the wealthiest country in the history of the world should be one that every single New Yorker can afford. And I want to take a moment here, because oftentimes in politics, it is distilled as if it is a battle between two people, three people, four people. The attacks against me are not ones that have offended me because they are only about me. They've offended me because they are about all of us. And I just want to ask everyone in this crowd, if you can raise your hand if you have been called a terrorist while living in this city. If you can raise your hand if you have had to deal with your name being mangled every day that you go into work. If you have ever been made to feel less than because of who you are, because of where you came from, because of what you believe in. This is why these words offend me, because they are about all of us. And no longer will we allow a politics in this city that seeks to discard those that they deem to be disposable. We are not just saying goodbye to a disgraced former governor on Tuesday. We are saying goodbye to the politics of that disgrace. Because this will be a city where we look at each other and we see ourselves as New Yorkers. And this will be a city that we can win for every single one of us. So I want to first thank you for being here. I want to say if we can have a round of applause for every organization that put this event on today. These are the organizations, many of which have been with us from before the campaign began. These are the organizations that have stood up when it was not easy. And these are the organizations that will march alongside us to win this race on Tuesday. So are you ready to fight? Are you ready to